Okay, so here's a demonstration of a MRC sound controller that I've put into my Atlas SD7. As you can see, the actual DCC board itself is fairly simple install. Once you've taken the frame apart, you just simply put in the replacement board, making note just to put a bit of tape on the edges here just in case she shorts out. The other thing I'd note about this is occasionally the motor will rotate just a little bit and you'll find the loco will stop. What I typically do is I put a little bit of solder on the inside here where it connects to the board. That way you never have to worry about it ever again. As I've mentioned previously, the sound at the back here, there's a little speaker, is a bit tinny. So what I typically do, certainly on these BLs and the Gs and so forth, is I take the holes out, drill them out. I've got another one over here that I'm working on, and I'll show you. There's a just an SCT. I just take the holes out. I just use a Dremel and be very careful with it, and put the fans in, and it's quite a neat effect anyway. And that just slots back on the top. Back over there. So we're going to put it on the track and I'll show you how she goes. Okay, so here's our BL back on the track. We'll just turn on our power. There's the sound. Now I've got a sound meter here just to give you an idea. If I turn that on, okay, so about 64, 65 when she's just sitting there idling. We can do a couple of the sounds there for you. Okay, so as you can see, it's not a bad sound, but it is a little bit tinny. I'm going to put this up a bit closer so you can hear it a bit better now. Okay, so there you have it. There's an MRC sound controller fitted to an Atlas SD7.